Hi, this is Steve with AVADirect. We're coming back at you with another AVARigs video. We will be going over the MSI G75 Stealth today. It's quite a nice notebook. Has quite a nice feature set on it, so we'll be going over that. Alright, so this notebook has the latest 10th gen Core i9 processor. It's the 10980HK. It's 8 cores, 16 threads, more than enough to handle any kind of serious rendering task or anything like that. Has 32 gigs of memory, which is great for multitasking. Again, it would help out greatly with rendering. Of course, it has an RTX 2070 in it. That is going to be great for gaming, 3D rendering, all different kinds of things for sure. And then all that is paired to this beautiful 300 Hz display. It's going to be ultra crispy, ultra smooth, just overall very nice. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not, but it has this sleek RGB keyboard. The shell itself is actually really nice. Oh yeah, and the 1 terabyte NVMe storage drive. That'll be able to store all your games, load them up super quickly, rendering files, anything like that. It's gonna be super fast. It's gonna turn on in like 7 seconds, 9 seconds, something like that. They're crazy fast storage drives. Overall, this is pretty close to the top that you can get as far as laptops are concerned. Alright, so this laptop will definitely be capable of doing multiple renders, as I mentioned earlier. It's also capable of doing gaming due to the graphics card that's in it and the 300 Hz display. I would say this is a pretty good all-around laptop, especially if you're going to be doing like a little bit of both, like rendering and gaming. You could swap back and forth. It could probably play most AAA titles on high to ultra settings, due to it only being a 1080p panel, which I know some people will have their own opinions on, but I think 1080p at this screen size is just fine. That 300 Hz is definitely going to make up for it only being 1080p. It's just going to be so smooth, just ultra buttery. You could probably play most esport titles on like the highest ultraist setting, and it would still be. It could probably actually push that 300 Hz display to its limit. So yeah, it's a great overall machine, whether you're doing rendering, gaming, maybe a little bit of both. Yeah, I would say it's a pretty decent laptop, and I wish I could own one. Alright, and that was our AVARigs for this week. This is a great all-around laptop, whether you're doing gaming, productivity, or maybe even a little bit of both. Yeah, it's a fantastic product. You should definitely contact our sales team for one. Other than that though, have a great rest of your day, and we will see you next week.
If you like the PC in this video, be sure to contact our sales team at sales@avadirect.com, or you can head over to our website by clicking on the link in the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation based, or use our configurator to build a PC of your dreams. Be sure to click that thumbs up button and subscribe, and don't forget to follow our social media channels at avadirect.com